Okay guys, welcome back to Sabimentors once again. So in this particular video, I want to show you the latest method to get product links that you can promote and make money with Sabimentors affiliate program. Okay, it is very simple guys. Don't worry, I'll show you everything step by step. So the very first step, let's say you want to log in. You log in and log in with your username and password. Okay, I'm trying to log in now. So log in with your username and password. All right, then hold on please while it loads. So once you are logged in, you go to your affiliate portal. Click on enter affiliate portal. Okay, enter affiliate portal. Then once you are inside of the affiliate portal, you are simply going to scroll down. Before now, if you click on this marketing, click on product links, you are supposed to get your product links right here. But for transparency's sake, we are currently having some difficulties and we are working on having this particular feature upgraded and back for you. Okay, so now, but what you can do to get your product links that you can promote is simple. Now let's say you click on this marketing. Now click on affiliate links. Okay, click on affiliate links. Just hold on. So now if you scroll down, you will see this is your default affiliate link. Now if you give anybody this link, if they use this link to come to Sabimentors, if they buy any products, or if they sign up, once they sign up with this link and they buy any product at any point in time with that account that they used to sign up, you are going to get paid for all their purchases. All right, so now what do you do to get specific product links? This particular link is for the entire website, but what do you do if you want to promote a specific product? Now simple, just copy this /? app equals .com/3 /? app equals .com/3. Your own will not be .com/3. Your own will be your username here after the equal to sign. All right, yours would be your own username. .com/3 is my own username, so yours will be different. Okay, so but copy this string, right? These strings, copy them, then go to paste it like this in a notepad. So remove it. Let's say this is your own username, right? Then now you have this string. So go to sabimentors.com and let's say take a new course right here. Click on it to open all the courses that we have on the website. All right, all courses. So now if you scroll down, you will see all the courses right here. So let's say you want to promote 20k days affiliate marketing blueprint. Right, simply click on it like this. Click on it to open. All right, you can click on it to open or just right click, but I want you to understand everything step by step. So let's say you click on it now. Now simply copy the link to this course. Copy the link like this, copy, then go back and paste it where you pasted that your this string. So the next thing you're going to do, you are going to copy this. All right, so copy, then paste this. Now it now be the product link /? app equals to your username. Remember, you cannot have double slashes like this on a link. You cannot. All right, it's just one slash. So to be /? app equals username. Okay, so this I to be for my own to be .com/3. All right, so this is the link you will not promote on social media for this particular link or anywhere at all. Okay, this is a link to promote. So now let me copy this link now. All right, copy. I've copied it now. Just hold on, please. Sorry. So I've copied. Okay, so now that you have copied your link like this, you have pasted your username and the string like this. So we are going to open this page now in a different window for us to confirm everything. Okay, so I'll use incognito. So I'll paste like this. Watch and see. Watch and see. So it is loading. I think I'm having a bit of slow network. Okay, so as you can see, that it has opened the page for that particular product. So if anybody buys this product right here, you are going to get paid. Just like if they buy like this, you are going to get paid. That is how it works, guys. So you have nothing to worry about. So you go ahead and get your link and promote your products and get paid. Okay, so you can promote any product at all with this same method. Okay, it must not be this one product. So I'll do it one last time for you to see how it works. So let's pick this one now, funnel profit masterclass. Copy link, go back to this place, paste your link right here, come back to this and paste this string like so. Paste it like so. All right, so like this. So it will now be /?help equals your username. That's the link you will not promote. So you can copy this link. You can go to a platform like bit.ly, and shorten that link because that link is too long. Okay, always shorten the link. So the link is too long. So sign up, log in. I have an account already, but for you, you have to create an account and do. Why is it saying incorrect? Wow. I think these guys have blocked my account or something. Okay, so that's how you do it. So for now, I cannot log into this account, but let me see. Since I can't log in, let me click on get started for free. Let me see. Let me see. Get started for free. So well, I login, email, login, WebKit is this is my username. Why is it saying I cannot log in? Login with SSO. Just hold on. Forbidden. Well, these guys are crazy. So for now, even if this one does not work for you, you can also try this one, tinyurl.com. This one works as well. So create an account on this website. Right, for instance, once you create an account, always create an account so that you can monitor everything inside your account. Don't just go ahead and create the profile, create the link like this. Okay, always create an account on any platform you're using. So for instance, this is my link right here, that long link. All right, then my username is .comboss3. So I'll just say funnel design. Okay, funnel course, for instance. So I'll click on shorten URL. So now, as you can see, this long link now has now become this short link. Even this one is too long. If most times I like using 3 letters. F for I can just say F. Since it's funnel profit masterclass, I can just say FPM. All right. So let me copy. So I'll copy. So if I go back to that, if I go back to this place now and paste the link right here, you'll see it will open that my Sabimentors affiliate link to that course. Okay, so as you can see, that is how you promote. That is how you can get your affiliate links and promote products. Okay, so this method can also work even if you are using a mobile phone. Okay, it's just a matter of it being like this, to just be like this. Let me go to inspect and go like this. So to just be like this. Okay, to just be like this. So you can now you can scroll down and see everything like this. Okay, so you can go click here and take a new course like so. Take a new course. If your mobile phone is the same thing, take a new course. Let's say you look for the course you want to promote. Let's say this one again. Let's this one on this time. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can even right click on it. Okay, but click on it and go to your browser URL bar or space bar. Then copy your link like so. Copy and add. Go to your notepad and do the same thing we have been doing like so. Click on it like this and put in your username. Mine is .com boss 3. So now you copy everything and you shorten with your URL shortener, create your account. All right, sign up. So that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful enough for you and you have no problems getting your product links anymore. One love, guys, and peace out. So if you want to learn affiliate marketing, I have a very affordable course for you. I actually have 2 affiliate marketing courses. All right, but I advise you can start with the smaller one, which is the 20K days affiliate marketing blueprint. That course will give you everything you need to start affiliate marketing in a very professional way, to teach you everything you need to know, to give you resources, to give you funnels, to give you art copies, art creatives, images, videos, and everything to make money with Sabimentors affiliate program. Okay, so that's for that, guys. So you buy this course and it's I think because I'm using the VPN now, so it's not showing the naira amount, but it's around 7,000 naira. So you get the course and learn and make money for yourself. And guess what, once you promote this course as an affiliate, you are going to make 5,000 naira per sale you make. All right, so that is crazy, guys. So you go ahead, get the course and learn how to do affiliate marketing in a professional way. Now if I go to my dashboard, my affiliate portal, you will see that I have made close to, I think, almost 6 million naira on this particular account alone, and I don't even check it. People sign up every day. You get it because I do marketing online, because I have the knowledge. So you can see 5.7 million naira made. Now watch, you see I have over 1,538 referrals and they are buying every now and then, as you can see. So you go ahead and get my course and learn for yourself. One love, guys. Peace out.